How to delete Roblox T-shirts you made. For this, open up a browser and search for roblox.com. Make sure you are logged into your Roblox account. So right here, to check out some of the T-shirts that you made, you have to tap on this hamburger icon at the side. From here, tap on the avatar option. In here, you will find wide varieties of all the collections that your avatar can wear, and this one is the one that you created. So if you right click on the option, you will find no such option of deleting the Roblox t-shirt. However, you can untick the Roblox t-shirt that you created. Now if you go ahead and check out your creator hub and tap on the avatar items, you will find your made t-shirt right here. However, if you tap on the three dot icon, there is no delete option here as well. Even if you go to the configure tab, you will find no such option as removing or deleting this t-shirt. This is because you simply cannot delete your Roblox t-shirts you made. If you don't want your avatar to wear the t-shirt, you simply have to go ahead and unselect the t-shirt, and that is all that you can do. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Hopefully this was informative to you, and thank you so much for tuning in.